How to fix Instagram stories not deleting. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. A lot of people have this problem and they send me messages a lot of times, so this video is gonna be helpful for you. First thing you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and go to the apps manager, go to apps. Now right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Search for Instagram and click on it. Now right here click on force stop and go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back, click on the data usage, scroll down and go to the Wi-Fi and the mobile data, disable them again, right, like this, and enable them again. Now click on the storage. This is an optional step, you need to clear the data and go back and click on force stop. That's it guys. Now reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe if this video was helpful.